Video Talk, Week 1 Prologue to Positive Reasoning and Mindset. Welcome to Week 1 of The Force of Positive Reasoning, Dominating Attitude Shift for Self-Improvement course. In the current week's talk, we will establish the groundwork by presenting the idea of positive reasoning and its significant impacts on self-awareness. We will likewise investigate the two essential mentalities that people ordinarily have, the decent attitude and the development outlook. In conclusion, we will dig into the various advantages that accompany developing a positive mentality. Positive reasoning is a mentality that spotlights on hopeful contemplations and convictions, underlining the force of energy in molding our encounters and results. By developing a positive mentality, we can rethink our discernments, conquer impediments, and open our actual potential for self-awareness. During this talk, we will look at the distinctions between a decent outlook and a development mentality. A decent mentality is described by the conviction that our capacities, knowledge, and gifts are fixed characteristics that can't be changed. People with a proper outlook will generally avoid difficulties, dread disappointment, and view misfortunes as signs of their deficiency. Then again, a development outlook is established in the conviction that capacities and knowledge can be created through exertion, constancy, and a readiness to learn. Individuals with a development outlook embrace difficulties, consider disappointments to be open doors for development, and have a confidence in their ability to get to the next level. Developing a positive outlook offers many advantages. First and foremost, it improves our general prosperity and satisfaction. Positive reasoning advances a feeling of appreciation, hopefulness, and flexibility, empowering us to explore life's high points and low points with a more prominent feeling of happiness and satisfaction. Besides, a positive outlook engages us to face challenges and embrace new open doors. It fills our inspiration, inventiveness, and critical thinking abilities, impelling us towards progress. Moreover, positive reasoning cultivates more grounded connections and associations, as it transmits warmth, sympathy, and consideration towards others. Toward the finish of this talk, you will have an unmistakable comprehension of the idea of positive reasoning, the distinctions among fixed and development outlooks, and the large number of advantages related with developing a positive mentality. Keep in mind, your mentality is an integral asset that can shape your world and impact your self-awareness in this way. How about we plunge into the universe of positive reasoning and start our excursion towards individual change?